wanted to talk to you about how smart money is quietly building the infrastructure for AI coding. The main focus is going to be how sophisticated investors are positioning across the AI coding value chain. 105 million funding round in a testing infrastructure company reveals how the most sophisticated institutional investors are thinking about AI coding. Not as a single bet, but as an interconnected ecosystem that requires strategic positioning across multiple layers. Here, we'll take the example of Jane Street. Jane Street's investments in Antithesis combined with existing stakes in Anthropic and Thinking Machines Lab offer a masterclass in constructing optionality across emerging technology stacks. Jane Street is not a typical venture investor. The quantitative trading firm generated estimated $20 billion in net trading revenue in 2024 alone, making it one of the largest market makers in the world. Its entire business model rests on executing trades milliseconds faster than competitors using proprietary algorithms. And so, for a firm like Jane Street, software reliability is existential. A single bug does not merely cause inconvenience, it can mean catastrophic financial losses. The 2012 Knight Capital incident, in which a software glitch caused $440 million in losses in just 45 minutes, illustrates the kind of risk trading firms face daily. Given this, when Jane Street leads a $105 million round in Antithesis, a company that tests software by creating simulations of IT systems and exposing new code to automated stress testing, the investment represents defensive capital allocation for core operations and not speculative positioning. When trading firms start building vertical integration across emerging technology stacks, it typically signals that the technology is transitioning from experimental to mission critical. Jane Street would not deploy this much capital and strategic attention if it viewed AI coding as a novelty. The firm is positioning as if AI coding will become foundational infrastructure for software development and seeking to own the quality assurance layer before it becomes expensive. Several investment themes warrant attention out here. First, there is a classic picks and shovels thesis. While attention focuses on AI coding tools themselves, companies like Anysphere, with its remarkable valuation trajectory from just $2.5 billion to $29 billion in under an year, the infrastructure plays may be offering more asymmetric opportunities. Secondly, we also have the integration question, which looms large. Whether testing and security become embedded into the foundational models or remain a separate layer will determine whether companies like Antithesis can build durable competitive positions or eventually get absorbed into the platforms. Thirdly, the enterprise adoption curve also merits monitoring. Two-thirds of the organizations use AI coding assistants in some form or the other, according to Gartner. As the penetration deepens, testing infrastructure becomes non-negotiable. Early movers in this space could establish the kind of enterprise relationships that compound over time.